In this video, I'll be showing you how to make walls in Autocad. So the first thing that you want to do is select this tool here, angle right, small 2000 again, and that will make the outline of your place. Now you want to make the walls, so it's either 4 or 5 inches either side. Just type in offset. So select the object to offset, type in how much you want to offset it by, and then you will see the walls have been created around the outside. Now if you want to add more walls inside, you can do the exact same thing. Create a rectangle, boom, again, go to the offset, and you want to select it, and then again, drag it out, select your distance, and then create the walls, your internal and external walls. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.